Are you struggling to grow your plants at home? Do they look sad or worse, don't even make it past the first few weeks? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll uncover the 7 most common mistakes people make when starting their home garden. Stick around till the end because mistake number 1 is something even experienced gardeners overlook. Let's dive in. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Grow channel, where we help you grow a thriving home garden with simple and practical tips. Starting your own garden is one of the most rewarding projects you can take on. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or flowers, seeing those first leaves sprout is an incredible feeling. But let's face it, gardening isn't always as easy as it looks. For beginners, and even seasoned gardeners, it's common to make a few missteps along the way. Unfortunately, these mistakes can slow down your progress or even lead to a garden disaster. But don't worry. Today, I'll guide you through the 7 most common gardening mistakes and how to avoid them. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident about growing your plants. Mistake number 7. Overwatering your plants. Let's start with the most common mistake: overwatering. It's easy to think that more water equals healthier plants, but that's not how it works. Overwatering can drown the roots, causing them to rot and preventing the plant from absorbing nutrients. Solution: learn about your plant's specific watering needs. Check the soil before watering. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. And remember, it's better to underwater a little than to drown your plants. Mistake number 6. Planting in the wrong spot. Sunlight is everything for plants. A common mistake is planting in a spot that doesn't get enough light, or worse, one that gets too much direct sunlight, scorching delicate leaves. Solution: understand your plant's sunlight requirements. Some plants like tomatoes thrive in full sun, while others, like mint, prefer partial shade. Observe your garden space and plan accordingly. Mistake number 5. Using poor quality soil. The foundation of a healthy garden is its soil. Many beginners use garden soil straight from their yard, which is often compacted and lacks nutrients. Poor soil leads to weak plants and slow growth. Solution: invest in good quality potting soil or create your own mix with compost. Healthy soil should be loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Your plants will thank you. Mistake number 4. Ignoring spacing. This is one of the most overlooked mistakes. When we're excited, we tend to plant too many seeds or plants too close together. Overcrowding leads to competition for sunlight, water, and nutrients, leaving plants stunted. Solution: check the spacing instructions on your seed packets or plant labels. Give each plant enough room to spread its roots and leaves so they can grow to their full potential. Mistake number 3. Not protecting your plants from pests. One day your plants look great, and the next, they're being devoured by insects or other pests. Many beginners don't anticipate how quickly pests can take over their garden. Solution: inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests. Use natural remedies like neem oil or homemade garlic sprays to keep unwanted visitors away. And don't forget to attract beneficial insects like ladybugs. They're your garden's bodyguards. Mistake number 2. Skipping the fertilizer. Plants need food just like we do. A common mistake is assuming soil alone provides all the nutrients. Without fertilizer, your plants might grow slowly or produce fewer fruits and flowers. Solution: use an organic fertilizer suited for the type of plants you're growing. Compost tea, fish emulsion, or store-bought organic mixes work wonders. Apply it regularly, but avoid over-fertilizing, as it can burn the roots. Mistake number 1. Starting too big. Finally, the most important mistake: biting off more than you can chew. Many beginners get overly ambitious, planting too many varieties or creating a huge garden space they can't maintain. This often leads to frustration and burnout. Solution: start small. Choose 3 to 5 plants that are easy to grow, like herbs or leafy greens. As you gain confidence and experience, expand your garden gradually. Gardening should be fun, not overwhelming. These 7 mistakes are super common, but the good news is, they're also easy to fix. Gardening is all about learning and experimenting, so don't be discouraged if you've made one or all of these mistakes. Every gardener has been there. The key to success is paying attention to your plants, giving them the care they need, and being patient. Remember, even the smallest garden can bring joy, beauty, and a delicious harvest into your life. And there you have it, 7 common gardening mistakes and how to avoid them. I hope these tips help you grow a healthier, happier garden. Now it's your turn. What mistake have you made in your gardening journey? Or which one surprised you the most from this list? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips. And don't stop there. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. In our next video, we'll uncover the top 5 fastest growing vegetables you can harvest in weeks. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe to the Grow channel. See you next time.